brand new system, so we're trying to break it in a little bit.
I seen this setup online when they first built it.
Yeah.
You built it or somebody?
Yeah, we just built it.
Yeah, I don't know who posted it.
450 MDs first, just so you know.
Man with big hats, posh touch drinking tea in Buckingham Palace. Big Ben and black cabs, them telephone boxes, you know, love to take pictures and shit. Lovely full English brekkie and all of that. But nah, bro, let me tell you something. That's just what they show you, innit? That's not what you see. That ain't the bits, and that ain't London.